Communication protocols sound abstract only until you realize they're the reason devices understand each other at all. Welcome to the Learning Studio, where we don't just teach subjects, we break them down to their core intuition so you understand how systems communicate, not just what acronyms stand for. Most students think protocols like MQTT, HTTP, BLE, and LoRa are purely software concepts. But in reality, they exist to solve a very practical problem: how devices exchange information reliably under different constraints such as distance, power, speed, and reliability. Without clear communication rules, even the smartest hardware would be useless. To see this intuitively, think about human communication. A quick text message, a phone call, and a long letter all serve different purposes depending on urgency, distance, and effort. Protocols work the same way. HTTP handles structured requests over the internet. MQTT is optimized for lightweight and reliable messaging. BLE enables short-range, low-power communication, and LoRa allows devices to send small amounts of data over very long distances with minimal energy. At a deeper level, each protocol defines how data is packaged, transmitted, acknowledged, and secured. Choosing the right protocol determines whether a system is fast, efficient, scalable, or energy conscious. Engineers don't choose protocols randomly. They match communication behavior to system requirements. On a larger scale, these protocols power modern IoT ecosystems. Smart homes, industrial monitoring systems, healthcare devices, logistics tracking, and environmental sensing networks all rely on carefully selected communication protocols to function effectively in real-world conditions. In real engineering practice, understanding protocols is essential when designing connected systems, optimizing power consumption, ensuring data reliability, and scaling networks. Engineers working with IoT and embedded systems must know when to use MQTT over HTTP, BLE over Wi-Fi, or LoRa over cellular to build robust and efficient solutions. Now that the intuition behind communication protocols is clear, the next step is to explore end-to-end IoT architectures, where devices, networks, and cloud platforms work together as a single intelligent system. And that's exactly what we'll cover next here at the Learning Studio.